Okay, so let's try the inside. Seeing Easter is coming up. Will it laser hard-boiled egg? I am gonna do this at, I'm gonna leave the millimeters the same, just 325, and we'll take it down to about, I don't know, let's say 12%. It's pretty smushy. Went right through ham, so alright, let's try 12%. So 325 millimeters a second at 12%. And away we go. Alrighty, I can already tell that 12% is barely even going to touch that thing. So we're going to go up to, let's say 22%. Okie dokie. So, yes, a hard-boiled egg with a laser. Man, it barely even, I thought it would cut it more. It didn't. It just burned the skin.